this is our lipstick challenge game machine. You can see the appearance is very beautiful. So now I show you how to play this. First, let's have two masks. You can choose first the challenge or you can buy directly. If you go to challenge, so you can play the game, and after you pass the 3 levels of the game, then you can win the gift. Let me show you. First you choose like 26. Now we start to play the game. Now is the level 1. So if you need to keep these lipsticks, cut to the lemon. After you cut successfully, oh now I lost. So it's not so easy. You need to pass 3 levels. Okay, now go to buy. You can choose any one of it because now we have many coins. So if I choose one, the cabinet will open directly. So this is automatically opens. And after you buy, you can see buy success. After you take the gift out, you need to close it. That's it.